Good evening, this is Jeff Goldstein with themeasuremove.com. It's Wednesday evening at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're looking at the British Pound futures contract currently trading 162.43, and I have a daily chart up here. I still have the previous drawing. We're still inside of this measured move with targets above us at 164.04, and should we go through them, we can trade to the negative 61.8% line at 66.09. So we're currently trading, still well away from its targets, but you can see, we are trending, and there has been no change. The measured move that's set up today was pulled from the Tuesday lows to our early morning highs at around the European Open 4:30 a.m. here in New York. We did pull inside this 50% long and held a 61.8% line, and it was all upside from there. We're currently trading the 62.42, and the target on this trade is a 63.44. So there's definitely big resistance up here. You can see this long wick on this first candle. There's a heck of a lot of resistance up here. If we get up here again and get above these highs, there's going to be a lot of stops, and this market will run higher. Again, like I said in the previous video about this British pound, it's a little bit counterintuitive. Usually this British pound is all about risk on or risk off, and usually correlates pretty well with the S&P 500 E-mini. As you know, the S&P 500 has traded much lower over the past couple days, and the British pound is still finding strength, and I think that the market is anticipating some future tightening out of the Bank of England. So I'm just following the technicals, which is also lining up with the story that I believe the market is buying into, and we have these targets at 63.44 the first stop. Our next stop is 64.04. We get below these 61.75s, I believe that the trend will be over, and we can then just end up in a big chop over here. So that's what I see on the British pound, and we'll follow up again tomorrow morning and check in on this this Euro contract. And have a great night. Enjoy your families.